So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy ETFs through the Moomoo application. So once you open up Moomoo, I want you to go to the bottom left here and press on the markets icon in between watch lists and accounts. Now once you're here, you can either go to the US Canadian market or just press on ETFs just like this as well. You can press US ETFs, Canadian ETFs, or other market ETFs as well. So for this example, I'll just press on Canada. I will then go to the S&P right here, ticker symbol XSP, press on that for this example. And how about I select a very classic one here in Canada? I will go with ticker symbol VFE. So if you have an ETF that you want to buy, then go to the bottom left, press on trade, and then press on buy. Go through the proper steps this way, but that is basically how you guys can buy ETFs. So once again, if you're on the ETFs tab just like this, you can go on US, for example. You can press on NASDAQ right here, view a bunch of different ETFs that track the NASDAQ. We'll do JEPQ, go to trade, buy, and then go through the exact same steps this way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy ETFs on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.